Hey everyone, welcome back to another video on Keyboard tips, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to fix if you're having the trouble with Windows 11 update KB5064081 error, your device is missing important security updates, and how we can fix this app. So let me directly get into this step. So the first one is all about we have to pause and restart the update. To do so, we just need to go over here, search for the settings, and wait for this and go to Windows Update. Now as you can see, just click on over here and make sure that you pause this for a week, or maybe you can select whatever it is. Let me go to pause for a week. Now go for the resume update. Now we have to check, try updating to the latest version or try updating your Windows. That might work. Next one, you can just go back. Now we need to start app readiness service on your device. So to do so, just go over here, search for the services, click on the services. Now go to app readiness over here, right click and go to properties, and make sure, as you can see, the startup type, set this to automatic and go for start and just wait for a little bit of time. Then you have to go to apply and go for OK. Now right click over here, go to restart once again. Now close everything over here and you have to check. Next one is all about we need to run update troubleshooter. To do so, go over here, search for settings, click on the settings. Now from here, go to system, scroll down. You can scroll down here and navigate to the troubleshoot and go to other troubleshoots, and you'll be finding various troubleshoot options. Now we are having the trouble with Windows Update. Just click on the run command. Now this is actually a troubleshoot step in which the window itself is actually helping us to fix the issue. So this is a common way. So you just need to wait. So the Windows will be asking some question, what is the issue that you're facing right now? So there are two possible methods one can face. One, I can't download and install or uninstall an update, or I install an update but the update has caused a problem. So in my case, I'm having an issue with I can't download, install or uninstall an update. So let me select this. Now we have to go for yes, so that the Windows will be running some update or automated diagnostic steps, and that will be fixing the issue, and you can check. Now go back. Make sure we need to restart Windows Update or Background Intelligent Transfer Service. To do so, go over here, search for the services, click on the services. And now we need to go over here, find the Background Intelligent Transfer Service, right click and go to the properties. Now go over here in the startup type and go to the automatic, go for apply. Now the service status is stopped, so just click on the start. Now wait for a little bit of time. Now go for OK and you have to close everything over here. And now apart from this, we have to go to Windows Update, right click and go to the properties. Now make sure this is automatic and running. If this is stopped, we have to run it and go for OK. And you have to right click over here, go to restart, and that is also very important. Now we can check. Next step is all about we need to use Windows Installation Assistant to update your Windows if you're having the trouble. So go over here to this link, which I'll be giving in the video description. If you scroll down, you can see we have Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Now from here, use this and try, you can download this and use this in order to update your PC, and you can check. Parallelly, you can try updating your Microsoft using the Microsoft catalog. To do so, we just need to know what is our error. So for us, we are facing right now KB5064081. So copy this particular error. And now you can just go to this link. I'll be providing two links. One is to the Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Another one is a catalog for the Microsoft. Now go over here and paste this particular link and go for the search. Now we can see we have various options and you have to find the respective one. Now for my system, I'm having the x64 based system. So I have to go over here, click on the download, and you have to download the file, and afterwards once you download the file, and you have to check. This file will take a little bit of time to download. This is having a huge little bit of space, file size. Then you can check and that might work. Next one, we need to reset the Windows Update components. To do so, I have to copy this particular one. Let me copy this. I'll be providing in the video description. Once you copy this, you can just go over here, right click and go to show more options, go to new, click on text document and go over here. And right now we need to paste this one. Paste it. Now go over here, save. Go to save as. While you're saving, you should type wuauserv.dat and make sure that it's set into all files and go for save. Go for yes. Once it is done, as you can see, this might be somewhere else here. So wuauserv.pat. So right click over here and you have to run it as an administrator and go for yes. This will take a lot of time. And as you can see, this will be actually pausing some steps, and once afterwards this will be starting it once again like a fresh start, and this will be running each steps that we have copied from here. As you can see, there are a lot of commands. Each them one by one will be performing here, and that will take a lot of time. So in the meantime, you can move to the next step, and once this is successfully completed, you can launch the Windows once again and you can check. Let me go back here. Next one is all about after you complete this particular step, you need to do a restart on a system. As you can see right now, this is 6.4. This will take a lot of time. After this, you can just do a restart and you can check. Next one, use option fix problem using Windows Update. So to do so, go over here, search for the settings. Now from here, directly navigate to the Windows Update. Go to the system, scroll down and navigate to the recovery. Over here we have an option called fix problem using Windows Update. That means it will be reinstalling your current version of the Windows. So your app, files, settings, everything will be preserved and you have to reinstall now and you have to check. That might work. And you can check with that. That will be working definitely. Last and the least step is all about try using the media creation tool. So I'll be already provided a link to this, and if you scroll down, you can see we have the media creation tool, that is create a media installation. Now from here, download this and you have to update your PC using this to the Windows 11 and you can check. So these are the steps, and I hope this quick video is helpful. Keep in mind this particular step has not yet finished, but I'm going to skip this and you can check and that might work. So these are the steps, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye bye.